Alright, let's get into it. First, open your image in Pixelmator Pro. Once the image is open, create a color adjustment layer. Because this image has a clean background, I'm going to use Select Subject to get a quick starting selection. If you're working with a busier background, you can use the Quick Selection tool instead and paint over the object. Don't worry if the selection looks rough at first, we'll refine it in the next step. With the selection active, right-click on the color adjustment layer and choose Add Mask. Select the Style tool and choose Refine Mask. Use the plus icon to add areas to the mask and the minus icon to subtract areas. Take your time here, a clean mask instructs the color change to behave realistically. Once you're happy with the mask, select the color adjustment layer and open the color adjustment panel. Scroll down to Replace Color. Use the color picker to sample the original color you want to replace, then choose the new color you want to change it to. From here, adjust the range slider until all tones are covered and fine-tune the intensity slider for the most natural result. Lower the intensity slightly to preserve texture and lightning. Changing color can affect brightness and contrast, so we correct that next. Adjust the exposure, highlights, brightness, and contrast until the object blends naturally back into the image. And that's the final result. Same texture, same lighting, just a new realistic color.